By setting up the reschedule templates, you can customize the notifications your customers receive when a rescheduled booking is made. Let's see how to do it. In the side menu, click on Configuration Center. Go to Email Templates. Choose Reschedule Templates. Click on New to create the reschedule template. Type an alias to identify the template. When you have it, click on Add. Initially, the template is empty. Start by writing an attractive subject. Note that you can use replacement tags, but you have to write them manually. Next, write the body of the email. You can write any message you want, and you can customize it with the replacement tags. Adapt the tone of the message to your brand, making sure it is clear and easy to understand. It is important that you include in the message the date and time of the new booking, and it is convenient that you use the appropriate replacement tags. You must use the customer's new date tag, in case there has been a date change, and also the customer's new time tag, so that the customer will receive in their local time. If it is a video appointment, although the link will not have changed, add also the video room tag to remember it. End the message with a friendly greeting. You can also choose the format of the date and time to be displayed in the reschedule email. When you have it, click on Save to update the confirmation template. Now you must associate the template to the corresponding workflow so that it is sent to your customers.